Echo TV is a co-production of Echo, Minnesota in collaboration with Health, Safety, Emergency, and Civic agencies and partners and Twin Cities Public Television. Echo provides multicultural programming and services to keep you healthy, safe, engaged, and ready.
Hi, my name is Todd Krause, and I want to tell you about using weather radios to keep you and your family safe during an emergency. Severe weather can happen anytime, and often without much warning. It's important to be ready for weather and other situations that could affect you and your family. In any emergency, you need as much information as you can get, from as many places as you can get it. Outdoor warning sirens, television, radio, internet, and even text alerts can provide life-saving information. But any of those can suddenly go away, especially during a storm. TV and radio signals get disrupted. Internet goes down, electrical power goes out. You don't hear the siren or don't know what it means. So don't rely on just one source. 40 years ago, the National Weather Service created a radio alert system to warn people of weather emergencies. The goal was to share local emergency weather information very quickly to people located in that area. It was a real help in weather emergencies, and it's been working all over the United States ever since. And in that time, technology and weather forecasting have improved, and this weather radio system is better and more useful than ever. The weather radio system is for alerting people to immediate weather threats, like thunderstorms, tornadoes, and flash floods. It shares weather information that could threaten you in the next few minutes to hours. So if your weather radio shares an alert, it's happening near you, right now or very soon. The weather radio service covers about 95% of the U.S. population. Alerts are only in English. If you do not understand English fluently, it's important that you understand certain words and know what to do in each emergency. In Minnesota, the most common weather emergencies are tornadoes, thunderstorms, and flash floods. There are two important types of severe weather alerts you need to know. Sometimes alerts are issued for a watch, such as a tornado watch. A watch is when the conditions are right for that type of weather emergency to happen, but it hasn't happened yet in your area. The other type of alert is a warning. Warnings are issued when that weather threat is happening in your area. Watch means be ready for an emergency. Warning means the emergency is happening now, and you must take action. Before severe weather strikes, designate one room or area in your home as the safe place. When high wind or tornadoes threaten, the safest place is in a basement. If you don't have a basement, the best place is an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows and outside doors. Many weather radios have two modes. One mode will share ongoing weather reports, even in non-emergencies, 24 hours a day. In alarm mode, the radio remains silent until there is a weather emergency in your area. At that time, it will automatically turn itself on and sound an alarm and share important information for your area. Not all weather radios are the same, so not all of them have these modes. Remember, if your weather radio sounds an alarm, it's not for tomorrow or the next day. It's an emergency happening right now, very near you.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Weather radios are electronic devices. To work right, they must be set up for your area and be plugged in or have batteries in them or both. If your weather radio isn't ready, you might not get information that could save your life. Keep it ready. Some radios can configure themselves to find your local weather radio frequency, but others may not. To configure your weather radio, you should know what county you live in. Since they were first invented, weather radios are more useful than ever. Many weather radios have a screen that shows the nature of the weather emergency in your area, such as tornado, flash flood, or thunderstorm. Sometimes the weather radio service is used to share information about non-weather emergencies. These could include things like a chemical spill, wildfire, or other threats in your area. A few small areas in rural Minnesota do not get weather radio reception. And even in areas with generally good reception, some low-lying areas may not get it. This is another reason not to rely on any single source of information during an emergency, including weather radio. Still, safety experts agree that weather radios are a crucial piece of life-saving equipment and should be in every home. I hope this helps you understand weather radios and how to use them and keep you and your family safe. Be healthy. Be ready. Be safe. Thanks for watching.